are, me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Guys, what a guan. Welcome guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? No good? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always guys, I hope you don't feel no pain. And if you feel any pain at all, just remember what you do. Check the doctor, go to the doctor, call the doctor or make the doctor come at your house if you have the money. But if you're broke and don't have no money, no worry yourself. We go have somebody to come and carry you to the doctor. Guys, mental health crisis is on a rise. So make we support each other, help each other, and check on your friends and your family. Even your enemy too. Check on them. Make sure them alright. Guys, domestic violence is also on a rise and it is very dangerous, and people is losing them 3 points and also losing them freedom. So if you can able to look out for somebody, talk to them, make sure you can help them. And guys, if you can walk away from it. If you know say you couldn't walk away from it, you should not start it in the first place. Some viewers and subscribers, if today is your birthday, happy birthday to you. If tomorrow is your birthday, happy soon come birthday. And if your birthday was yesterday, happy belated birthday. Now guys, I don't know what exactly to say, but me know me I go say. Guys, I don't know what I have done. But them say me talk, me too straight talk. But that's why the channel name Real Talk. But guys, I want to talk to who I want to talk to. I want to have a dialogue with Knife Ninja. Nothing tearing down, nothing bad. It's just a dialogue I want to have with Knife Ninja. And Knife Ninja follower, friends, and not the followers, the friends, and also his brothers. Yeah, it's in other words, I want to talk to Knife Ninja, Whisper, and Whistle. Yes, the three of them I want to talk to. And me not come to talk to you in any bad way. But me come to talk to you in a progressive way. I may have some questions and me I look and answer. First, me could get this out of the way. Now, me could get this out of the way really quick and fast. Me I look, see if nobody I look. Anybody I look? Nobody now look. Nobody no then. Nowhere near where, yes sir. Yeah, the kids them, they all about to white place. Knife Ninja. Me say it already, but me gonna say it again. What the hell were you doing at Savannah Lamar? Were you looking a bath, a wash off, a clean up? What were you looking way down there? Because guess what happened? That pastor of another church in Kingston. Oh, you don't know, say me know that. That pastor of another church, just like that one in Savannah Lamar, in Kingston. So my question to you is, why didn't you go to the one in Kingston? Were you hiding from somebody? Were you hiding something? Or you didn't know that you was going to be on TV? You didn't know that? Also, I want to say something to you, and I want to say it to the public. People, me can't do no better, you know. Because the information them dropping on my lap. I mean, can't do no better. It's not the first time you go there. It's not the first time you go there, because how that pastor operate is you go see him, talk to him, and then you have to come in his service. He just don't work like that. But anyway, if it's a wash off you go forget, or a clean off, or I hope it was a clean heart and a clean mind you went to get. However, we're not talking about that. Because we all see the work we are trying to perform. Me have a question to ask you, Whistle and Whisper. So you all three, you see, was a friend of Colaz Smith and Valiant. Hold on, me a coming now. You three grow up with those two guys. And those two guys come out to be better than you three. Let me come a little nearer to the thing. Those two guys, Colaz Smith and Valiant, came out to be better than you three. Now listen to this part of it. Whisper said that he was the one who bossed Valiant. He was the one who put Valiant out there to the world. Whisper also says he was the one who make up Colaz Smith YouTube channel, and he was the one who monetized it. So my question to you, Knife Ninja and Whisper and Whistle, how the hell you three can boss and help people, but you three cannot help yourself? How that make some form of sense? How you three can help everybody else to be somebody, to be able to help themselves, but you three cannot do that same thing for yourself? Make it make sense. Now, guys, also what I really want to talk about is, if I have the kind of friends that you guys have, which I have friends in big places. However, you have Valiant and you have Colaz Smith as your friend that you grew up with, and for some reason you feel that it is in your best interest of going up against the person that you call your friend. And guys, the reason why I'm making this video is just that I sit down today and I was talking to a individual. From a very far, I get a call, and the individual was saying to me that they cannot understand how Colaz Smith and Valiant, from up at the same place, came out to be better than those three, that family. What really is the problem? And I go tell you something. The individual said to me that they knew them, like I've talked to them. And I said, oh yeah? And the individual said, they're a real lazy set of young men. And I said, well, they may lazy, yes, but why you think those guys come out to something rather than they all come out to something and be at where the next two is? The individual said it wouldn't happen, because just as what you see Knife Ninja doing to Colaz Smith is the same thing Whisper did to Valiant. And I said, what? The individual said, go and look on YouTube at an interview that Whisper did. So I went on the YouTube channel. Guys, I'm not going to play those people thing on my channel. I'm not running any joke with that. But it's I can't remember the name of it. But when I go over there and I was watching it, I listened to Whisper telling them that he's the one who boss Valiant, and Valiant haven't done anything for him? Hold on a little bit. I wonder if I can sneak it in. I don't know. I may try. He says he was the one who bossed Valiant, and Valiant did not look out for him. Valiant didn't help him. He's talk about popcorn too. And in my head I said to myself, hold on a little bit. So you're an artist and you're bossing everybody around you away from yourself. And I said, make it make some form of sense. You're bossing everybody around you away from yourself. Them say self-praise is no recommendation, but I believe you should look out for yourself while looking out for somebody else. Because if you say you're the one who monetize Colaz channel, but your channel, you're not at the level of where Colaz Smith is, so I don't get it. Then you turn around and you say you are the one who make Valiant into what he is. But Valiant making tune left, right, and center, still looking for you to make your tune. I believe to myself that if you and your brothers had sit down and have a good dialogue with Colaz Smith and Valiant, I believe those guys would really and truly help you three. Because remember, you said you are the one who bring them into church. You listen. Your brother Whisper said he's the one who bring those two guys into church. So now I see why that kind of energy is there. Because after talking to this individual, and to be honest with you guys, there is things that this individual said to me that I won't say. I won't repeat. I'm trying to change some things I do. Only for now. Because I go tell you something. I can hold it for a while, but not too long. It all depends on what and how I feel. But when you sit down and you look at what is really going on, it shows a lot. And it shows in all the ways that I don't think you was ready for Knife Ninja. Knife Ninja, I saw a video of you downtown with a blind man. And I'm going to ask you this question, you see? Why is it that all the people that you're looking for to help, the people are they're in need. But my question to you is, you don't have the money to help them, but why are you reaching out to these people? Because here is the sad part. Here is the sad part about the whole thing. You are doing this because you know that people is going to, should I use one of my words? Sympathetic. Should I use one of my words? You know that people is going to sincere. People go be, oh, and they go send you the money. That's why you're doing what you're doing. Because to be honest with you, I go be 100% honest to you. All what you are trying to do now, you could have been doing it while with Colaz Smith. Because remember, you have your own channel, Knife Ninja. You have your own channel. Also, let me tell you something. You could have make a next channel. Man from up at the hills. There's a bunch of channel you can make. But the thing is, your philosophy is begging. And guys, I keep looking at the whole thing and saying to myself, when a man get a time to make a decision in his or her life, they shouldn't wait, they should do it. So guys, the thing is, if we should be honest with ourselves and sit down and be honest to ourselves, nobody is trying to tear down Knife Ninja. Nobody is trying to tear down Knife Ninja. Knife Ninja get the opportunity. Knife Ninja get the opportunity to be somebody on his own. However, Knife Ninja believe that he should get help from Colaz Smith. The whole family believe that because they grow up with these guys, people must come out and help them. And I go tell you something, guys, listen to me good. I have grown up with a lot of guys who right now, I have one of my, what I would say, guys that I grew up around. We didn't grow up together in the same community, but we grew up going to school. And I won't forget that. I was the one who was bringing extra food to school for him. He did not have it. His father was one of the nicest men on this earth, and they did not have it. And I am telling you this, that time my dad was on cruise ship. I was wearing Clark's boot, meanwhile his shoes that he was wearing on his foot have hole in it. That I would me see, take me too high and see that. But guess what? I was bringing food so that they can eat. Right now, I don't know where one of them is, but I know where one of them is, and he's in Canada. And he's the CEO of a company. I won't tell you what that company name is. He's the CEO, a poor man Pitney is the CEO of a big, prominent, big company in Canada. And anytime me see him, because him not do social media that much because of his job. So anytime me see him, yo, so and so, yeah, go and do your thing. He might tell me the same thing. Say I'm glad and happy to see me and see me how me I go on and thing. Because guess what? We grew up like that. We grew up like that. We want to see each other happy. We want to see each other win. We want to see each other have it. Not because him is a CEO of a big company, him a fly upon private jet, that simply mean I should hate him, bad mind him, or jealousy at him. No, I can't do that because I don't grow up that way. I do not grow up that way. When I was going to school, park school, I was one of the first person there to wear a Clark's boot. Seriously, no joke about it. I was one of the first person to wear a Clark's boot. And many of my friends who grow up, who come up, many of them come up to be way better than me. Long time. Some of them live in the United States many years before me even get an opportunity to come here. And I go tell you something. Listen to me good now. I have a friend, and he was on a cruise ship. And one day, when the cruise ship coming down at Ocherias, listen to what me I say. I see him and I say, yo, wagwan. And I realized he did not go like this. So I didn't say nothing because I said to myself, he didn't hear me. So I said, yo. And he continued walk. So I said, maybe he don't realize it was me. So they gone on back on the ship. The next week, the ship come. This time now, I am close, very close to where the ship is. So guys, you know, as me I say to Uno, the next time I see the virgin, the guy, me they closer now to the gate. Me they closer now to the gate where he might come out to the shipyard. And me see him a come and me happy to see my friend. That time I at Jamaica, that time I live at Jamaica, me not come a foreign yet. But me travel still, but me not come a foreign yet, like USA. And when me see him I come through, me so excited now to see my friend because me know where my friend I come from. And me say, yo man, yo, what go on? You know what him say? Him said to me, say, him not have no money. So me say, me never ask you for the money, brother. And the man say, you don't have no money, my yard. And walk gone. Yeah, man, in continue walk gone. I don't say A or B afterwards. When him come back, true, I didn't say a word. All me say is, bless up me out. Yeah, that's all me say to him. And me did it for a long time at the cruise ship pier. And me see him come through and me yo, me still a heal him. Sometime he heal, sometime he not heal. Rest in peace, my brother. Me not have nothing against him because guess what? Me never give him nothing for put down. Me never give him nothing for put down. We grew up together, we eat out, I see him lunch pan, yes, but at the same time, I him get him work on cruise ship, not me. So me now go have nothing against him because him dey on a cruise ship and me believe him should have give me money. No, me not go do that. Because me not give him nothing for put on. Many of us think like that. Many of us act like that because them believe you give a man something for put on. You don't give a man nothing for put on. If you have a friend and your friend make it in a life, worse if the friend call you and say, yo, deal with this. Like what Colaz Smith do for you, Knife Ninja. You should take it and grow upon it. Instead, you start to watch the money where the man have and believe the man should pay your rent. Just like that. You believe the man should take care of you. The whole three brother you believe Valiant and Colaz Smith should have take care of you. Life not go that way there, brother. Life not go that way there. To all of the man them out there, we know me in a real life. When me say in a real life, you don't know how me stay. Me no ask people for nothing. Me afraid for beg. Guys, I don't like me no want help, you know. Me want help with couple things. But guess what? Me afraid for beg people money. Me afraid for ask people for money. Me do it the other day with Melissa there. And brother, people call me thief. People say me a fraud. People say all different sort of something about me. People then call me thief. Then call me all kind of name. And that's the reason why I don't like begging. I'm afraid of begging. I'm afraid to beg. Because at the end of the day, People don't care what them say about you. People go say it. But my viewers and subscribers, I sit down and I don't want to come on here anymore. I try to, I believe that Knife Ninja is a big man and should know what is best for him. The only thing I don't like, and I think it is wrong, for you, I try to find all kind of people who have disabilities and is trying to use their disabilities as your money pan. I don't think that's right. I do not think you should use their disability as your money pan, because that's what you are doing. You're using their disability as your money pan. Why not work hard, make some money on YouTube, use that money out of your pocket and help these people? Why not do that? Instead of trying to get donation. Let me tell you something, see? And I go tell you something. The other day, I listened to Rosalie saying something about World Dog. And Rosalie was telling World Dog that them I live out of people pocket. And I act like them better than the people them where them I live out of them pocket. There's people out there who will give you a lot. There's people out there who will give you the money. But it's not good for you to out there hunting the money that way rather than putting the work. You need to put the work in. You and your two brothers, they need to put the work in. If music is your two brother lifespan and that's where you want to go, be honest to yourself and stop disrespect people, because at the end of the day, how you look when you go on a talk show telling people you are the one who own Valiant career because you were the one who pushed Valiant out there. So my question to you is, if you are an artist and you're going to push another artist out there, why not push yourself? Why not push yourself out there so that means you yourself can benefit from your system, from what you believe and love? I don't get it. I don't understand it one bit. If you really and truly, I don't understand it. But guys, I just want to talk to you guys about this because 5 people, and out of the 5, only 2 come out to be something. And 3, that is brothers, come out to be static. Can't move, nah move. Imagine, there's 5 of you grew up. And out of the 5, one of you, meaning Whisper, say he's the one who push and elevate the 2 people who come out after 5 ambitious. So my question again is, why you guys push others but never push yourself? And then believe that because you help somebody, they should come around and they get rich. They should come around and make you get rich too. Guys, as I said, I will be popping in and out with videos. yeah, I'll be popping in and out with videos and just to make content, so because it's content. I am not going to sit down and only stick and make one content. No, I cannot do that. I have to be making other different content and all kind of content, you know. I make a content that I went to the underwear store. Yeah, man, guys, I went to the underwear store. You know. So that's part of life. And guys, until we meet again in the next video, I'm out. But my question still is, you help Colaz Smith, you help Valiant, you didn't help yourself. I'm out.